In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. First of all, you need to access your apps and find an app called Simple View. Then click on it and choose Experience Now. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. Decide if you wish to choose OK and dismiss in the pop-up. And then use this mode, or to exit, hit Settings and tap on Exit Simple View here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!